Adding your team. When you open your 5 p.m. account, you create a new 5 p.m. site where you collaborate with your team. Initially, you are the only user on that site. You will have to add your other team members to it. To add other people to your 5 p.m. site, you will have to use the People tab on the left. Just click the plus button on the top. You can add multiple users at the same time, or add them one by one. You can now enter the new user information. Only the first name and email are required fields. The rest of them are optional. You can also add the title, company name, address, phone, and so on. But the most important field is the security level. There are 4 user roles or security levels. Administrators. They can view and edit anything. Users, which is the default choice, can edit projects and tasks just when they are a part of their team. You can hide individual projects and tasks from non-team members. External users are very similar to users, but they can only see projects and tasks when they are part of their team. Basically, all projects and tasks behave for them like they are all hidden from non-team members. This role is useful for people that are not part of your organization, like consultants and freelancers. You can add them just to specific projects and tasks while keeping the rest hidden from them. And finally, clients. They are different from all the other types of users. Clients are directly attached to whole projects, not individual tasks, and can see just those projects and anything inside them and inside their tasks, besides the hidden messages and files. Clients cannot create or modify projects or tasks. They can only add comments to them. Unlike other users, clients do not count toward your plan. You can have an infinite number of clients on any plan. Since users cannot edit projects and tasks not assigned to them, they cannot self-assign projects and tasks unless they created them. If you want to allow them extra flexibility, you can use the flag to allow them to edit any project and task not hidden from them. You can also show or hide from them other users' profile details. Make sure you send the new users the email notification. The email will contain the login information for this 5 p.m. site and the password setup link. If your teammates did not get the email invitation, maybe it ended up in their spam folder. You can resend it by editing the user and selecting this checkbox again. You can also change the user security level at any time. For small teams, you can just make all of them administrators. This way they can edit each other's comments. Once logged in, users can also modify their profile details and set a personal avatar. Each person can have multiple 5 p.m. accounts with separate logins. For example, one can be for personal use and another for business. Or you can have separate 5 p.m. sites for different departments in your company if you want to keep them totally separate. If you have multiple 5 p.m. accounts, you can use the login link on our 5 p.m. website. It will list all of your 5 p.m. sites if they share the same login email. Go ahead and add your team and get more done together by 5 p.m.